What's up, YouTube gardening fiends? Today I'm going to show you how I transition my stock tank sub-irrigated planters for the winter season.
Say hello!
Look at our
Turtle.
see, we can feed it these things, these weeds.
Really?
So this is our planting guide. We're going to put the peas on this side because of this thing right here, okay? And then we're gonna put salad bowl and romaine lettuce on these two lines halfway until like right here. So right here, and the rest of it we're gonna put the green lettuce, the summer babe. Cup it like that so it don't fall. We'll give your brother, how many do you have? You have 5? How many do you have?
6. 3.
3? Give your brother 2. Okay. Now you plant both of these, okay? And just spread them out. Yeah, you're gonna put it right here. Just put them right here. Put one right there. Yeah. Cover it up. Then put one over here. Yeah. Cover it up. And put the rest over here, where the water comes out. So you see how the water comes out right there? Cup it so the seeds don't fall. I'm gonna make the holes.
I planted 2.
I know. Okay, so now plant
What are those other plants over there?
right there, okay? And cover it up.
Papi, what are those plants that...
These ones?
Yeah.
Those are chichicaritas. Put like 2 or 3.
They always come up every year.
Put 2 or 3 in each one.
What'd I tell you? I teach you can. It's really hard to plant these because look how small they are.
Yeah, do these ones right here. And then these ones are going to be different things. So put like 3 or 4 in each one.
Are these old?
I don't know. 2019. Not too old.
We had all these seeds since when I was born.
And we're gonna plant these as seedlings too, so we'll see what happens if they sprout.
Hey, this one's trying to make babies.
Yeah, some of them already have strawberries growing on them.
Okay, so I did one here and here, right? What
No,
kind of plant is
this line.
This one?
Yeah,
Okay.
and there's one in between there.
What kind of plant is this? And then this one, right?
Yeah. Yes. Which one I could tell you?
This one?
That's called verdolagas.
Yeah.
That one would be good for the Taurus.
Which one?
Show her, baby.
Vendoradas. The one for the scorpion bites? The one I almost killed? Yeah.
That plant right there, your Taurus will eat it. It'll eat the flowers too.
So the tortoise will eat this? How do you know so much about tortoises?
You're doing the first line. No, I'm gonna hold them. Here. It starts right here.
What seeds are these?
Did we plant these or did we not do those? No, huh?
How much should I put in?
Hold on. 3 or 4. Do that one too, and then I'll do one over here.
I need to go drink some water.
Okay, baby. Okay, cover it up. And do this one. Oh, maybe too deep. Okay.
What seed are these?
These are lettuce. These are the summer bib. That's really good.
I hate ginger
So put it
lettuce.
right there.
They're so yummy, but they're too small. It takes a little while for you to finish.
Now do the last one right there in the corner. Just go ahead and do the second row, and then your sister will plant whatever we're doing next. Okay, so do these other ones I made. Here, get some seeds and we'll do this one first.
How come you're holding them?
That's easier. For following.
No, I just being dumb. Okay, that's only one.
3 or 4.
This one?
Uh-huh. No, these are big seeds. Look.
One there.
Put 2 in each one. And then go to that one.
These things get big, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We finally got to the plant early this year. Right? Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Last year we planted late.
Yeah, we planted in November last year. But we still got a good harvest.
Yeah, we got
Radishes and carrots.
disgusting, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Imagine how much more radishes we're gonna get.
I know, it's gonna be nice.
We're gonna let it lock well this year, aren't we?
Well, we have more seeds too.
Ooh, we should give some away.
Okay, so now let's cover it up. And now we're gonna do the carrots. Here, can you put these in that bag? This is the carrot row over here. Okay, so let's get the seeds that we grew. And we're gonna do the same thing, we're gonna sprinkle them.
They don't look like seeds. I'll take all the onions. No, let me do last bit.
Okay, cover it up.
Cover. The heat.
Here. Start planting, I'll do this. So sprinkle them in these rows right here. This is all carrot rows. So those are carrot seeds that we grew. We'll see if they work. And if not, we have new carrot seeds that I bought. I think these are the purple carrots that we grew.
Both, probably. Mix up again. It doesn't even matter. We just want to put enough carrots.
Okay, let's put more carrots in here. Right here too. Yeah. I like to get a good amount when they're, because we can always thin them down if we need to. It's just gonna let us know If these carrot seeds are good, they're gonna sprout. Because we still have time. Okay.
We bought the original. Can I cover it?
Yes, cover it up.
And the carrots were pretty healthy. I think carrots cover them all up?
Yeah, cover them all up.
Yay, yay.
It's gonna be right there.
Is that for beets?
There. We're gonna see, I forget.
I love beets. They're delicious.
How old are they?
I don't know.
It says on the back.
2019.
We could do like 2.
That was Chris who wanted to participate in the bout.
Right?
Yeah. Taking her out, so I told him,
It's probably better, huh?
you know, I'll meet you out and about, you know, kind of thing. But I'm like, things change here constantly. Things coming up. And there's another one over here.
Nice.
She okay?
Yeah, she just needs to sit out in the sun for a while where it's nice and hot out here.
You want to put her right here? I'll put her right there.
Why don't you put her in the planter that has some shade and has the food for her?
She might want to eat. Look, she can eat. This is,
The verdolagas.
look, she'll love these. Put her right there. Yeah. She can bring her out here and see.
It's nice and shady, but still warm.
Look at her. She likes it already, huh?
Yeah. Want to tell YouTube who this is? She was upside down. This is Alice. I got it for my birthday a few days ago. I just went inside and I found her in her little water thing. And she flipped over. Yeah, she was flipped over and her head was under the water. And I opened the thing really fast and I got her out. And I went out and I said, the tortoise! She almost drowned. His back was over there. Yeah. How do you think that happened? Do you think she was getting in and her head went down like that and she probably just don't?
Alright, we're done.
What are you planting?
Beets.
I did. Mom didn't tell me to go inside and get the hat. Don't always do that.
Put the thing around. There's one thing.
That's it.
So we're done planting?
We're done planting. We planted radishes, carrots, spinach, lettuce, chard,
Put her down so she can eat.
beets, cilantro, the dill. Got some strawberries, kale, lettuce, snap peas, carrots. We harvested a whole bunch of radishes. We gotta replant. The chickens got into that one and ate everything, and they ate everything over here too. So we're gonna replant these pretty soon with some seedlings we're growing. But this garden bed right here is giving us lettuce, which is nice. And the chickens are giving us eggs. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my Patreon at www.patreon.com/thesonoran-desert-grower. The $2 members get my dryland permaculture growing guide. It's a 99-page PDF that walks you through many aspects of dryland farming. My $5 members get the dryland permaculture growing guide and a seed care package. My $10 members get the dryland permaculture growing guide, the seed care package, and my personal mineral amendment mix. So you can make your own potting soil
and you can amend for leafy greens and vegetables in your in-ground gardens or your container gardens.